Dear brothers and sisters, in life all of us have to make choices, simple choices, some major ones. At this time sometimes we are confused or we are lost what to do. If you have got to make a choice, suppose you have got a call for priesthood, do I join religious life or do I join the diocese? So we are confused. So in this context the passage has to be understood. What do I do? How do I choose? Ignace Loyola, our founder, gives us a simple method. He speaks of holy indifference. That is, I am neither inclined to this side nor that side, but I am indifferent. Whatever path God shows me, I will take. But for that, I require totally indifferent attitude. I am neither inclined to riches or to poverty, to sickness or to health. I leave myself in the place of God's hand. And after I prayed over it, discerned over it, and I see God's light, then I make a choice. Here we heard in gospel passages, you see the background, a rich man comes to Jesus and says, I will follow you wherever you go. And Jesus tells, sell all that you have and come and follow me. But this man did not follow this advice because he was not indifferent. He was a wealthy person. A question may come to us, is wealth bad? Is work hard to acquire possessions, be it property, be it money, is it bad? God, I'm sure, is gracious to us, kind to us, gives us all that we need, especially when we work very hard for our sustenance and we acquire a lot of wealth. So wealth in a way is not bad. But when a person is attached, or more to say, when the wealth in a way gets attached to the person, that is bad. Because person no longer himself, it's a wealth that runs his life. That is bad. So the Lord today invites us ask us, what is it that is leading my life? Is it my values? Is it my so-called concern of family? Or is it something more than that overpowers me? We ask Lord to give us the grace in this Mass that we have this so-called indifference, that we follow God's path. And if you have wealth, God gives you, inspires you to share with those who have none.